Greetings. This week, we're going to talk about maintenance thinking or preventive thinking. It's not just about machines, it's about protecting your value. Coupons, they'll save you pennies. Maintenance thinking saves you thousands. In this video, I break down the mindset that I've developed over a career of maintenance and how I apply it to everything in retirement. From vehicles to appliances to finances. If you've ever let something go until it broke and then paid twice as much to fix it, this one's for you. Preventive thinking protects your assets. Every breakdown I've ever seen was predictable. And almost every one of them was more expensive than preventing it would have been to start with. My bride used to put electrical tape over the check engine light. That didn't end well. Her brakes were starting to make noise, so she turned the radio up. Well, that ended up being rotors, calipers, a couple wheel bearings. It was a mess. Coupons, again, save you pennies when you purchase new. You can also save money by purchasing used, if you're handy. When something fails, you lose control. Control equals money. It always seems that it breaks on a Friday night, Sunday morning. If you have to call in favors, hire someone to come bail you out, and then have to get it fixed, when you could have fixed it before it broke for pennies, not dollars. Small fixes prevent big bills. Fix it before you smell it, or hear it, or set it on fire. This is called the PV curve. And it basically plots performance to failure. The further to the left it fails, the cheaper it is. But even in a reactive mode, if you fix it when it starts getting hot, or feels shaky, or sounds off, it's still cheaper than waiting till it smokes off, or catches fire, or just plain grinds to a halt. Had you only fixed the worn tire before it blew out your rim and then broke your spring, that would have been a bunch cheaper. Hey, if you're retired or close to it, let me know if you've saved some money fixing it before it breaks in the comment section. See you next week. Thanks.